Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Come into my studio to play with some paint today. And I am going to do a straight pour. I have this 12 by 12 inch canvas. So what I am going to do is, I have some turquoise green. I have some cadmium yellow light hue. I have a magenta, and I have a self-mixed burgundy, along with the DecoArt Satin Enamel mixed with my Artist Loft paint. I have all these mixed with Floetrol and water. Kind of tested my consistencies. Pretty close. This one's a little thick yet. So when I find that, I just put a tiny bit of water in there and give it a good stir. Tiny bit more. Much better. Check out this burgundy. Burgundy's perfect. Satin enamel's a little thick. Thin that up a little bit. I'm just going to do a dirty pour. So, you get some gloves on. And a 12 by 12 inch canvas will take about, probably about 5 ounces of paint. Let's turn this around so I can see. I'm going to start out with some of my turquoise green. Go in with some magenta. Yellow. I'm going to use all of the yellow. Put it right in. Burgundy. Just load that up. Put that right in. Don't want the turquoise to take over. And I'm going to go in with the satin enamel. More turquoise. Good. A little bit more of the satin enamel. That cup. It's pretty cool. Satin enamel sunk just like I need it to. It's over. And I'm just going to pour the center. From up high. Of turn. That was a quick turn. Catch the drip. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. Get my torch and get rid of some of the air bubbles. Okay. Something here I can catch my corners with. just have a little piece of cardboard that I ripped off here, and I am just going to slowly tilt it to the corner. That satin enamel time to come up to the top. Just doing very nicely. I don't think I'm going to catch the corner yet. Bring it back down. Up towards the other corner slowly. Roll it on down. Oh, those little clouds are coming up. They look so cool. Roll it down to this corner. Set it down a second. I see something in my paint. That before it becomes a problem. Catch this corner first. Could have made my corner catcher a little longer maybe. This will work. And what the corner catcher does for me is it just helps me put the paint right back on the canvas instead of losing a whole bunch of it. Bring it back down to the center a bit before I hit this other corner. Some of that turquoise green on the corner there, I like that. You can see the weight of my paint is right about here. I'm going to bring it back down a bit. And then I'll head for that top corner. Back. Oh, that is really, really neat looking. A little bit of help here. I really like what's going on here, so I am going to put a little bit of this leftover magenta on the corner to help it along. I don't want to lose all of that turquoise there. Okay. quick look at it. And so at this point, it kind of looks like a rose. Liking it. The green center. I'm going to push it back this way a little bit. Just corner up here a little bit. Check out the others. Pretty good. Okay. Boy, that satin enamel just really makes that look so cool. I'm gonna give it a torch. Make sure I don't have air bubbles, which I see a lot of them in there. Don't want to get too close. Bring it up so you can see a close-up of it. I want to tell you all I appreciate you watching my videos. Gone over 100 videos now. It's been a lot of fun. A lot of fun experimenting with different things and how they work together. I love this color combination. I think I might go with a little bit less satin enamel next time I try this. This kind of took over, but the center is really neat. I really like that. A little bit of the magenta coming through and a dot right there. So I see a few things happening. It's real soft, a lot of marbling. So thanks for visiting with me tonight, guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like and share button. That helps me out. Nice straight picture of this so everybody can see. I had somebody comment that I don't leave it long enough at the end of my videos for them to get a close-up look. So I'm going to leave it for a minute. Zoom my camera down. There you go. Thanks for visiting. Bye.